G'day guys, it's Sunday morning here. It is 10 o'clock Sunday morning, and just going to light this stove out here and have a bit of tucker, have a late brekkie and an early lunch, maybe. Could rain later. Looks like it's raining in the hills, but anyway, Lynne's going to cook a few pancakes. Oh, just felt a spot of rain on my hat. Here comes the rain. There's a heap of rain coming across from the mountains, across the flats and heading towards us. So, it's alright. I'll chuck a bit of wood on this and it can burn away. It might only be a shower or two. See this fire, I've only got one piece of flue pipe on it, but it's still drawing okay. Get the fire going okay, so as you can see in there. Here comes the rain. Oh well, I'll come back out directly. Yeah, that bit of a shower's gone now, so the fire's cranking away a bit now, so that's good. Won't be long enough, won't be long and she'll be ready to cook on.
Okay, so I'm making Wayne some pancakes this morning, and we've got our cast iron skillet here. I've just got a suet that I made in this tube. You can see it's really hot. I might come over and see how it's sizzling. You've got to get the suet, that sizzling effect, otherwise the pancakes don't turn out. And I think I can fit 4 in here. Yep, I can fit 4 in there. And I'll say the recipe for these pancakes in a minute. I actually put some natural banana flavouring in them because I didn't have any old bananas. But all this is self-raising flour, baking powder, 3 eggs and some water. That's it. And you'll see them, they'll really puff up in a minute and they'll be nice. So you can have maple syrup, jam, honey, you name it, whatever you want on your pancakes. Now you might see they start to bubble here. As they get big bubbles, that's when you know it's time to turn them over. So they're just starting to bubble now a little bit. And that one is there. Wayne's got the wood stove going, so I've got some cooking to do today. They're nearly ready to flip. Once the holes start to burst, you can see there the holes are starting to burst. Get a few more holes bursting, then we'll flip them. It's a bit cooler today, so I thought it was a good pancake morning. Now, try and get that one there. Put a fair bit in here. Try and get the suet to run through again. That'll cook a bit more on the side where I could double flip a little bit. There we go, that will cook up. So you can see where the pan's hotter, of course, so I'll move that over this way, so then these two get a little bit hotter than those two. And then you can see they're starting to rise a lot too. But that handle might get a little bit hot. We'll see how we go. We get a lot of pancakes here. I've got heaps and heaps of flour, so I'm always making bread, pancakes, cakes, all the rest. I just separate them. Oh, there's a big spider coming out. He didn't like being in there. We've got heaps of those spiders at the moment. They're everywhere. Okay.
Look how he's going to jump on your leg.
So, see, that looks a bit better. And they look a bit rugged, but we're rugged people, so we'll enjoy them. And that's it, guys. You'll see them in a minute with some nice maple syrup on them, or whatever Wayne wants, jam, homemade jam. And we'll see you soon. Okay, so here's the pancakes. We've got some homemade jam on it, maple syrup. Wayne's already been into a little bit yet. Now, what do you think, Wayne?
Pretty good.
Fire going. Good fuel to get him working.
I knew there'd have to be a catch.
Yeah, that's it. There's a catch. All right. See you later, guys. Have a great day.